Hi friends, welcome to Alpha Studies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about short options versus long options in command line tools. So what I mean by short options and long options, let's understand this. I am pretty sure in our day-to-day life, we might use command lines very frequently. For example, if I want to know the version of the Python, so I will be opening a command prompt by entering CMD, a black screen will open. So in that black screen, let's assume this is a command prompt. I generally write some commands. For example, maybe if I want to know Python version, so I will try to use something like this, Python space hyphen hyphen version. The moment I type that command, I will see the Python version. Sometimes I use these kind of commands like Python command, then space, one single hyphen, then H. This will give me the help, like what options I can use on top of the Python command. So ever wonder what what you guys mean by this? Like what is the meaning of this dash dash version? What is the meaning of this single dash H? And why two dash or two hyphens in some commands and why only single hyphen in some commands? Let's explore that. Basically, wherever you see this hyphen and then some value, so these are nothing but like a modifiers or options. Okay. So what these options will help you, like what on top of the command, the moment you use the option, it will help you to perform that particular option or a modifier on top of that command. For example, if this is confusing, so let me open a command prompt cmd. Now in this command prompt, so let me type this python space hyphen hyphen version. So hyphen hyphen version is a option on top of the python command. The moment I use that option, it will give me the python version. Similar to that, I can also use python space single hyphen then v. Even this command also gives us the same version. The difference is shorthand options will generally have only single hyphen with only one character there. Whereas long long versions, right, like this longhand options will be more descriptive. Like that is the reason the moment whenever you use two dashes or two hyphens, you won't use any command or any option with a single character there. You usually see something a descriptive command or an option there. You might have also seen there is a command for the pip upgrade in which you will use two hyphens then upgrade, right? So wherever you see these two symbols of two hyphens, then the command or the option what you use next to it will be more descriptive. And wherever you see single hyphen, the next to the command or an option going to be a single character one. So if I go back to my presentation, so let me switch to my presentation. The same thing I am explaining here. So the difference between short options and long options is going to be the single dash. Short options typically use single dash or single hyphen. These are the examples, right? When you come to the long options, they uses two dashes or two hyphens, and as I said, upgrade, help, version, all these are the options which are long in a form. Whenever you use long options, basically they are more descriptive about what task they are going to perform. So we can use either of them up to us, but when you use the long options, then it will be more descriptive. But when you use a short options, it will be very precise, but not much readable, right? People cannot understand it, what it means until they know it, right? So if you see this example here, Python, then single hyphen m, then pip install, then two hyphens upgrade pip. In this particular command, you see two kind of an options. One is short option, which is hyphen m, and another one is long option, which is two hyphens upgrade. So both are mixed here, right? So that is the main difference. I just wanted to know people to know this, because we regularly use these options, but we don't know why single hyphen or a dash there or two hyphens or a dash there. What is the difference? So it is very important to know that. That will boost our confidence when we are working, and we can work in the command lines with more effective way, right? Because we know what we are doing it, automatically it boosts your confidence. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.